No intro, no outro. That's just how it go. Yo, I had to take the whole freaking exhaust down just to get the shift knob in here. It's pretty nice. It's like a nice little billet piece and everything. Trying to figure out the lockout, the reverse lockout right now. I got the other part on transmission. Just didn't want to throw it back in because if I get it wrong, and all this shit has to come back out. But it's damn near 11 o'clock. I got work like 7, 8, something in the morning. Still mad puppies to deal with. Everything else is pretty much fucking done other than the skid plate, but you can't put that on until that's back in there. So, I'm gonna go inside and get some dinner and pick up again. And I just wanna make sure I got that reverse lockout like perfect, and then throw the exhaust back on, the heat shield. Well, first the shifter, then the heat shield, then the exhaust, and then it's gonna go back. I'm tired. Ain't no outro. Alright, ain't no intro, ain't no outro. I know it's fucking filthy in here. Damn, I already started cursing. Whatever. I got a real bright YouTube future, as you can see. Alright, so, alright, last video wasn't that long. I showed you got this little shifter, bracket thing, tower thing. I was expecting to have another piece that looks like that. All the other ones I've seen, they have like 2 of those. But I don't look all through the boxes. Didn't see it. The other one inside, the short shifter, that's in. Right, got the reverse lockout. Out the way, it's looking good. It's all sloppy because there's no transmission holding it right now. Anyway, so the more stuff that I actually start tackling, the more stuff I start seeing is just like scary. All right, this holds your control arm to your knuckle. All right, it's really not that crazy, but like this one was broken. It actually sits upside down like this. All right, or no, it sits like this, and the bolts come up. But that bolt and this bolt were loose, and then this one was broken. Moving right along. Tie rod ends. It's not uncommon for these to be seized up. All right, so you got to cut them out or whatever it is. That's the one I just dropped out. That's not uncommon. Kind of used to stuff like that. But heat shield back up, the exhaust is back up. I'm trying to knock out these couple of things real quick. And it's just that. We have the tool for this. That should go real quick. And these lower ball joints. And then we can cram this all back in, So I started like maybe 8:30 this morning. It's now like 11-ish. You already know it's time for lunch. I'm about to go eat something real quick. And then come back and I'm pretty sure I can have this on the floor by tonight. Or sooner. Because a lot of the real super technical shit is out the way. So, ain't no outro. I would say, I know it looks crazy in here. You've definitely seen this a lot cleaner before. But I am crazy busy. But I would say if you're not really like a tech, or you haven't been fiddling around with your car for some time, either do it with someone who has been doing it, because some of the stuff could land you in, like in a ditch or I don't know, or worse. Some of the stuff is scary. Some of the stuff I'm seeing, a lot of strip bolts. That's kind of like off and on for regular, but not really. But bolts just not being tightened at all is wild. So ain't no outro. About to get some lunch. I'll hit you with the next one. All right, ain't no intro, ain't no outro. You know how I go. All right, shift tower stuff. It's all done. On the transmission side, linkage is back up. The trans already out. The exhaust had to come out. The heat shields had to come out. to get the shift knob shit in here. Then you had to take the shift box apart. It looks really fucking nice though. I started this morning. I mean, I started yesterday, but whatever. It looks really nice. It's a nice piece. I actually kind of like it. Thinking about getting one for my Mark III if they make one like that. One whole side, control arms and everything else. All little bits and pieces over there. Tie rods, all that other good stuff. When that side's done, loosen up all these bolts, and I think it's about like 9. I gotta go pick my girl up. Shit, if I have enough energy to come back out here tonight, I'll bust out this side, and man, we're done. We can actually cram this bitch back in there, and move on to the next set of weird stuff. But I'm gonna go run do that now, and I'll be back. Outro.